it is time for the Calder Cup Finals. We made it all the way to the championship, and we're going to start our series here. Let's take a look at the playoff tree, and it is nearly completed. So it's going to be us against the Bridgeport Islanders. We've never played this team before, but this is going to be the showdown that determines who's going to take it all. So we're going to be home to start out with. Bridgeport will be away. And this is, again, best of 7. The first 2 rounds were best of 5. We're now best of 7. So our standings are exactly the same here. 10-2 for the playoffs. Oh, we lost the face-off. The steal, though. So, yeah, I've been playing NHL 26. We started our series in that. So we got pretty far before we were doing NHL 25 and 26 in tandem. But yeah, I think playing NHL 26 is going to help because, to be honest, 25 is a lot easier to play. 26 is more difficult, a lot slower too. So yeah, we'll see how that helps us in this final round. But we made it all the way to the final round of the playoffs before the two started overlapping. I was hoping to finish the season completely before we started 26, but that's not how it worked. Oh, that was a good shot. Did one of our guys get hurt right there? Who is this? Who is this? Nadeau? Crap. Well, that sucks. The first game of the finals. All right, we got to avoid that. We can't be injuring too many of our guys here. Okay. Well, that was way off. Oh, man, we almost just scored on ourselves. All right, we got to get this out of our zone. First and foremost. Yeah, I'm going to savor this last round. I had a lot of fun with this season and getting to know the Chicago Wolves a little bit better. I've been to a few of their games, like I said, but got to know a lot of the players playing this season and kind of their schedule and what that entails. So, yeah, it's been a fun season. And at most 7 more games, at the least 4.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Still scoreless in this one. The Wolves take possession here inside the offensive zone.
And then also just in oh no. Or not oh no, oh yeah. This is good. Oh, and it goes in. Ryan scored for us. We didn't even have to go on the power play. Nice early goal. Yeah, waited for our 6th guy to get out there. Good start. Yeah, like I was saying, got to know a lot of the Chicago Wolves players, their schedule, who they play, and just the teams in the AHL. I've been really getting into hockey the past few years and know a lot about the NHL. Well, not a lot about the NHL, but know a bit about the NHL, especially the Blackhawks. Didn't know a ton about the AHL and kind of what teams were involved and what teams fed into who. And Like, I feel like someone who doesn't know would just assume the Chicago Wolves fed into the Chicago Blackhawks. But that is not the case. Oh, that's not who I was going for.
The Islanders scoop it up along the boards. The Wolves gain possession of the puck here in the offensive end.
Oh, crap.
He's clear.
Perfect. Saved it. Smooth this up. I got poked away. But yeah, I feel like someone who doesn't know would just assume that, yeah, the Wolves feed into the Blackhawks, and really they feed into Carolina. It's Rockford who feeds into the Blackhawks, which is right down the road, but all sorts of pressure. Oh, what kind of pass was that? Oh, man, give us a break. Wide open shot, and we didn't get a good lick on the one-timer. What kind of shot was that? We were looking right at the net. All that for nothing.
On the attack along the boards. Good fight for the puck along the boards. And the puck's knocked loose. Strong feed from along the boards.
Get the puck. There we go. Got it. Trying to shoot for the stick side, not the glove side. That's why I'm always favoring the left side. We have been in total control of this game up until this point. As I say that, we give up a 2-on-1. Okay, get this out. Should be able to set up a nice wrist shot right there. Just can't be wide. Here we go. Goalie saves it right at the tail end of the period. I mean, they do have 6 shots on goal, but it does feel like we have been in their zone pretty much the entire time. And there we go. See how I waited just a second to allow Stillman to back off a bit? Took the shot and got the goal. So yeah, won the face-off, just stopped, backed off, let him set himself up. It wasn't a full-on one-timer, but yeah, again, shooting on the stick side, not the glove side. And it did get deflected off one of the players in front, it looks like.
Well, with that goal against, the coach is salty behind the bench right now. You can just see his whole demeanor is negative because he's not impressed with the way his team is playing. You know, it's been a lackluster effort. They didn't come ready to play.
All right, so we got a little bit of cushion. Keep the foot on the gas, though. Be awesome to get the win first game of this series. Not expecting us to win all the way through like we did against Bakersfield. Texas was the one team that we actually struggled with in the playoffs. We swept the other 2 rounds. Texas, we almost got eliminated. Just feed this in. All right, 2-0 lead to start. That's why faceoffs are important to win. We didn't even need the full one-timer there. Stillman.
Well, the first 20 is in the books. Let's see what this second period offers. Here we go, middle frame.
Got hung up on the faceoff.
All right, Pounder, how would you assess this game through the first 20?
Jose has got this.
Buffalo's had an impressive start to this game. Now they're heading into the second period. It's a bit of
Okay, they've got nothing, so they're going to feed it in.
And they've been doing it so far in this game.
Oh, man. No. Oh. Get this out. There we go. Joseph's got it again. It's worn out, though. It's a wrist shot. Okay, let's open up a one-timer here. Just totally deflected. Oh, crap. No way. Oh, come on. I thought I had it well defended, too. So he came in. Just going in for the hit. It hit my goalie's pad and then it just slid in. All right, we've got a hockey game now. 2-1. That was fairly early on in the second period, too. That's why we can't get comfortable. I wish my defenseman would actually attack the puck and move forward. Could have maybe got a breakaway right there, but instead the defenseman just stayed back and the puck was just sitting out in the middle of the ice. Okay. Oh, what were we doing? Slow it down. And it goes in. Stillman for the second one. Can we get a hat trick with him? I was thinking about feeding it in, but I saw the one-timer opportunity, so I backed off, then just waited for him to get open. That's why I didn't pass it sooner, but I guess the timing was perfect. Yeah, he was well defended. All right, so now we have our 2-goal lead back. 10-14 shots on goal. Let's throw this one in. Oh, and immediately intercepted. The Devils. What is, like, I don't know why the audio is so screwed up with the AHL, but I don't know if they fixed this in NHL 26, but they definitely need to. The Devils. The Islanders are a team in the NHL, and there's no reason why the audio is like that. There's 32 teams maybe for the AHL, so they just need to record 32 tracks and get the names right. It's kind of unacceptable in my opinion, but I said the commentary is what is supposed to get people into the game, and if I'm noticing team names wrong, that really takes me out of it. We're going to kill this.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. The Wolves have all the momentum right now, leading by 2.
Oh, crap.
They win the draw and go on the attack.
Get it out. Where's the puck? I was thinking about playing it, but we're going to kill it again. We got to get this out. They're out. Or are we tied? Yeah, we're tied for shooting. No, actually, they're out shooting us. Finally won a face-off, and now we're going to move this up. Throw this in. We hit the post. See, they got the name right there. Also, yeah, she's saying the Devils. the Islanders are the name of the team, and she's been calling every team the Islanders since the start of the season. So, weird. Yeah, oh man, get out of my way, dude. It's on the ground, but we're going to go on the power play. So it'd be our second power play opportunity, but we scored before we went on the power play previously. All right, good chance. Go up by 3. There's a cycle. Get the puck.
Scooped up along the wall by Pavlichev. Too much congestion.
Not a good shot. They're gonna get it out.
Successful clearing attempt. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Sends one up to Wagner.
Here we got Wagner with it. Oh man.
The Islanders will try to shave a few seconds off.
Just gonna try and get it out of the zone.
The Wolves have it now. Chicago's ready to go on the attack. Shot! And puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go.
We need to establish the zone. Let's just throw this in. Do we have any one-timers? No, of course not. And we had a really bad pass.
Time to execute here on this power play.
What was that?
An attempt to clear the puck from deep inside his own end.
Okay, cycle.
Listen, there's a reason why they're on the PK, James. For the straight line skating, the battle will and compete.
This is a horrible power play for us, to be honest.
And time expires on the power play. Both teams back to even.
When you get the nod to hit well, that's going to be a call, James. That's definitely a penalty.
What? We're going to go on another power play back to back. It's like they're trying to just hand it to us.
Yeah, I mean, he's getting the refs here because he wants to know why his team is being penalized more often. There's clearly having a factor in the game.
All right, so they got a slashing call. This would be the third penalty for them in one game. All right, let's try and reset. We need to do a better job of getting the zone. And losing the faceoff is not the way that we get a power play goal.
The Wolves gain control of the puck. Moves the puck up to Brindamore. Chicago's on the attack.
Feed it in, and what were we doing there?
Defensive end by Mascio.
Bridgeport's working hard in all areas of the ice. Defense is structure, and it needs
That's not the shot I wanted. Where was the one-timer? He was right there.
doing a great job of taking away passes.
Gets the puck in deep. The Wolves will play it in their own end. Quick feed to Wagner. Oh, great move to sidestep the check.
Let's feed it in again.
Passed up ahead. And he slides it quickly to Wagner. Here's a chance.
Oh, man, it was right there.
One-timer, he was dialed in there. The Wolves play it along the blue line. Here's a shot. Oh, how did he...
We got the zone now. Oh, crap. We had the one-timer, too.
Chicago's got the puck along the wall. Through the neutral
Okay, we got Gunler.
Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Here's a shot.
Ooh, big shot.
One of his own line
Nothing went in, though.
and the puck's kicked free. The Wolves failed to capitalize on the power play.
Bad wrist shot, too. We got more shots that time, at least, but still nothing's going in.
Knocks the puck
Now our power play percentage is way down.
And nearing the final minute of the second. And he sends it across to Franco. Knocks the puck loose. The Islanders slide it through center. Maggio's got the puck. Tenacious battle.
All right, let's get this out. We're not going to have time to get a shot off, so let's just throw it away. All right, 2-goal lead going into the third. Wish we would have converted on one of those power plays, but couldn't make that happen. All right, let's try and close this one out. Face-off win. Oh, that was a decent shot. Couldn't make it happen. She called him the Devils again. Like, what? Why? And also I realize it's not like the actual commentator's fault, Cheryl. It's the EA developers, but yeah, it's just silly. Oh man, Smith just destroys that one. That was a fast shot. 10 goals in the playoffs. Really fast shot. Again, it's on the stick side. That's the weak side. Left side, we're not going to get a whole lot of goals. All right, so now we have a 3-goal lead. I want to let off, but I mean, now it's just coasting till the end in a sense. Also trying not to get any more of our players hurt. All right. I don't know how I came out with that, but all right, we'll go on a power play. Why not? This is what? 4 penalties? This has to be a record for the season. I don't think there's been this many power plays. In the first one, we didn't actually go on a power play. We were able to score before we had to. Thought I'd try to immediately get a shot on goal. Don't back off.
The Islanders have it now. Takes a spill onto the ice and loses the puck. Trying to get something going here with this advantage as they start from their own end. The Wolves
wait for our guys to move in, establish the zone. Now we just gotta cycle.
Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. And some good footwork to kick it away. And it's a quick pass to Lemieux.
Oh man, he barely saved that one.
And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
See it. It almost slid right past. We aimed a little bit more to the left, maybe an inch or two, we would have scored. Gotta play this.
Keeps it alive and heads it up. And he moves it up to Suzuki. Grabs the puck in the corner. Bridgeport's gained possession along the boards. Skerrick's got the puck and he's gonna
Just pass it to their goalie. Can't go 3 power plays with no goal.
They slide in for the face-off.
Crowd just became silent there. Oh, what was that?
This power play only has time for one more rush.
They'll have to play with urgency and not just skate the puck, but move it fast.
And that goes off course off a body. Chicago's working.
Bad time for a line change.
With a comfortable lead, James, some would say that power play really wasn't a big deal, but I would say different. It's really important that you push, you continue to work on.
Well, that sucks. 3 power plays, nothing. Oh, the bad pass.
Picked up along the boards by Ryan. And now he moves it
We'll move this up.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Trips it on net. Oh, what a...
Just decided to throw it in there.
And he passes it up ahead to Maggio. And the puck's booted away. Stillman's taking it from his own end. And now it's to Lemieux. Both sides mixed up for that battle for the puck along the
Oh, that's a helmet. I was wondering why the pass died. It's a helmet on the ground right there.
The Wolves will play from the defensive zone. Gaining momentum along the wing. Slides it across. Huge steal at his own end. Here's a chance. Denies him.
All right. We have a lot of pressure right now. Wide of the net. That helmet is right there. It's killing the puck. Oh, that was a backhander. I thought I was doing a wrist shot. Oh, no. Don't do this. And they score. Oh, well, at least we still have a 2-goal lead. But yeah, that was just a bad pass that led to a breakaway. Or actually, can't remember if it was a pass or if I was just should have passed it. One of the two. It's one thing we gotta stop doing, especially in NHL 26, is allow breakaways like that. They still have time too, so can't get content. Try and kill out as much of the clock as we can. 2 of our guys just got hit. We almost just gave away another breakaway. All right, now we got a chance.
Here's a short pass to Kiefler. Bridgeport's got the puck against the house.
Big hit. And we'll feed this around the boards.
The Wolves move the puck in the defensive zone.
Smith's got it now.
Got it along the wall. There's a great save on an excellent chance there. There's another stop.
Man, James,
Get up.
incredible quickness right there as he makes one and then the second save.
Hangs on to the puck.
Oh, they're going to get it out. Trying to open up the one-timer with Smith.
Got the puck in his own zone. Dumps it in. The Wolves have it against the wall. Slides it quickly to Jost.
There we go.
Fires it on net. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out. Takes control of the puck. And he slides it quickly to Karlstrom. Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Stillman. And now he passes up to Gundler. Under a minute to go in the third.
Oh, man. Time went by really quick. I didn't realize. I thought we were about to go on the power play again. But no, they pulled their goalie.
Loses the coverage there.
We got to kill this.
Man, is he ever quick on his feet, anticipating the play. Excellent reflexes. He's saving his team right now.
Chicago's coaches have to be impressed from what they're seeing for their players tonight. All sorts of.
So we're winning shots on goal 21 to 30.
The Wolves win the draw. They try to maintain possession inside the defense.
Throw it in, and that's going to do it. Lemieux. It's been a while since we've seen his name. That's the first goal he's scored in, 12 games. He was doing really good at the end of the regular season. All right, now we can just bleed out the rest of the clock. Goes in. Yeah, I need to take that shot, but I was going to try. Someone's stick broke too. And we just scored on ourselves. Totally unnecessary. No, it looked like a closer game, but yeah, he shot it in, and then our guy kept skating in, and we scored on ourselves. That's all it was. Although they may have got a rebound goal right there too if we weren't right there. All right. It's not enough time, I don't think. I hope not. Yeah, definitely not enough time to score 2 more goals. Oh, they're going to kill it with 2.4 seconds left. We don't even need to be throwing these shots on net.
The Wolves have been the busier team in the shot department, and they lead it late in this third period.
Yeah, NHL 26, we'd have like half the shots on goal that we do here. It's a lot less shots. But yeah, that's going to do it. We're going to start this series up 1-0. 1 game closer to the championship. Be a pretty cool way to end this one with the championship with such a good regular season that we had. But yeah, good game. Kind of beat ourselves up there with like this breakaway and also scoring a goal on ourselves. But overall, we played good. So we'll keep this momentum going into the next one. I'll see you then.